I just got off the bus. I'm here in the city of Los Llanos, that's on the west side of La Palma, and I made some footage for you from the bus drive down here into the Aridane Valley, so you can see yourself that everything is okay with the volcano, that the volcano is quiet, and you can see the beach from Tazacorte, yeah, some mountains and so on. It's very beautiful bus drive. But I will start with a funny record. I was at the bus station, I was looking for the money for the bus. Then I realized that I have a coin looking similar than euros. But this coin is from Poland. 2 Polish zloty I have now. So they are looking really similar to euro coins. Yeah, no problem. I will look in the internet what this coin is worth. I had this one time before, so this is the second time someone was, how do you say, tricked me and gave me this Polish zloty. So you cannot pay with Polish zloty here in Germany, but I think 2 zloty are more worth than 1 euro. I have to look. So okay, so now I want to show you the footage from the bus drive, and then later on we will see us again here in the city of Los Llanos. So every time when I'm here in the city, I always visit the same shops. I started with the electronic shop. I'm looking for a new tablet. Do you say this in English too? I don't know. A Lenovo tablet. Yes, and wow, scooter. Yeah, now I go to a commercial center, and then later on I will go to the grocery stores, for example like Lidl and Spar, and buy some groceries, vegetables, fruits and so on. That's a nice coffee. Okay. I like those very big trees over here. Yeah, here you have the old church, very old, and here you have the Ayuntamiento. The wall looks very colorful. I like it. Okay, now I go into the commercial center and there is a shop for pets. I will buy some goodies for Rufus and maybe some special cat food for our cat Suna. She's old now and she needs a special treatment. And there's another electronics store. So, but inside they always have music, so I will use some YouTube music and I just will walk around without talking. As always, when I go shopping in the city, I'm running out of time because I have to catch my bus. So I cannot show you what I bought, but I can tell you that I have got a surprise for you, and I will show you the surprise in one of my next videos. I'm really happy about it and I did not expect it. I did not have this in my mind today, and I thought this would be a good chance. Yeah, you will see it. Alright, now I go to Lidl, buy some more vegetables and dairy products. They have dairy like milk and yogurt and so on. I buy it there, yeah, and then I take the bus. And then tomorrow Friday, and then weekend, I will cook something nice. I will buy some chicken. I like chicken broth, and I use the broth as well to feed Rufus and the cats. They love when I'm cooking chicken, they love it. So they will be very happy when I come back home. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you find it interesting here in the city of Los Llanos. Okay, yeah, a bit noisy over here. Here's the bus station, Estación de Guagua. The name of the bus here in La Palma is Guagua. It's a very special word here. Okay, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon in another video. Goodbye.